Hello everyone, welcome to another really interesting video. Today I will show you how to use Microsoft Bing Image Creator. Now this image creator is powered by OpenAI DALL-E. If you ever use DALL-E, you probably know DALL-E. But this is pretty much an image creator that you can go and you can just get started right here. So for example, what we can do is, I like this picture a lot, a panda bear baking a cake. So maybe we can just go here and copy paste this prompt and just join and create. Hit join and create. And here we'll be able to sign in into our Microsoft account. So basically here you can just go and you can enter your Microsoft account right here. So for example, I have this one and I don't want to stay signed in. So I can just go here, and as you can see, I finally joined this, and as you can see, it's currently being generated by AI. My prompt is being generated by AI, so we'll have to wait just a little bit until this is done. And as you can see, this is completely done. Now what we can do is we can obviously go and we can create some other recent posts as well that we did. We can also click surprise me in order to get surprise ideas or surprise pretty much prompts. You can also explore ideas right here on the left side, which is awesome. So if you click on the left side, and to be honest, this is a little bit laggy for me at least. You know, I would love to see if it's laggy for you as well, but this is also laggy for me as well. And then here, as you can see all the ideas, similar ideas that are already being made. Now, to be honest, I don't think this is such a good tool. I think if you want, you can definitely use DALL-E. It's a much better tool. But overall, this is how you can use the tool. All you have to do is just go here, type in the prompt, create a prompt, or you can click surprise me for a surprise prompt, and then you can pretty much do that. It's a very easy tool to use, but overall I would give it probably 5 out of 10 because it is a little bit laggy, at least for me right now on Google Chrome. So hopefully you guys find this video interested. If you did, leave a like down below and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.